by'amagare tukaba turi hano ku Gisozi tukaba tugiye kubagezaho ukuntu show igiye kugenda ngira ngo igare mwaribonye ukuntu riri kwirukanka riri kugenda kurusha imodoka so wowe icyo usabwa nta kindi dore irindi gare ngaho rero ukuntu riguruka do
aba ntabwo bagenda cyane nk'abariya
wewe ni umushinwa reba ya kamera wavugaga mwana
ariko bahaye sinye bashiki babo bagiye guhaguruka mu kanya gato cyane.
And a clear new best time for Team Spain. 25 minutes, 50 seconds. On second, China, 2 minutes and 3 seconds behind. Third, Ethiopia, 2 minutes, 56 seconds. Nouveau meilleur temps pour l'Espagne, 25 minutes, 50 secondes. Et la deuxième, Chine, 2 minutes, 3 secondes. Et la troisième, Ethiopia, 2 minutes, 56.
dukomere amashyi menshi cyane kuri uyu munya-Espagne nawe usesekayaga bagenzi babiri basoje urugendo ni umunya-Maurice nimero 83 ubona undi ni Piat William kuva muri Maurice.
And now the two Belgians are on their home turf. As I said the other days already, in some countries they have carpets in the living room, and I guess the Belgians they have cobblestones. They just grow up with these surfaces. They feel so well. Almost no reaction in the body. It's incredible how they do. Of course, there is a lot of experience on the line with Victor Campenart. He's 34 years old, a veteran, but on his wheel, the young next generation rising stars. These are the platform to give new names a chance to grow. The 2025 UCI Road World Championships, and one of these guys is Jonathan Vervenne. Under 23 at this competition, individual time trial, he finished 8th. So these two guys, they know how to ride the bike.
Barihe ngabasha hey
Abanyarwanda b'ikoranabuhanga bivuze kuzimya abakinnyi bari bushye niba agomba kugaragaza ko ibikoresho byose biba biri tayari. Nibo ubwabo bihura